Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Indira here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did this look right here, which is a really sexy gunmetal eye makeup look. So I'm starting off by applying this Maybelline gel eyeliner as my base. This will ensure that my color that I'm using on my eyes are absolutely popping. And just to add a little transition, I'm going to be using this Miss Claire Singles eyeshadow in the shade brown. Now I will be linking all of the products in my description, so please don't forget to check that out. And for the main makeup, for the main focus, I'm using this metallic liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild. So I recently received this product as one of my free gifts from my orders from HOK Makeup, and I thought why not use it for the eyes. So I'm using this all over my eyelid on my base just to make that look pop, and then I'm cleaning the edges with a little tapered brush, and I'm applying a little concealer too just to brighten up that area. So I'm now be going straight to my face makeup, and I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade medium, and I'm using this on the affected areas where I have the pigmentations and dark circles. And just to give that brightened face, I'm going to be using this Fit Me concealer in the shade light, and I'm going to be blending out it really well. So all the brushes that I'm using here are from different brands, so let me know if you want to see a separate video on that. I'd love to do that for you guys. And for my foundation, I'm going to be using this Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. This is a really hydrating foundation, as having a sheer coverage which really suits my skin at the moment. And I'm taking a blender to just correct all the things. And then I'm going to be going to my highlighter. I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone, my entire face, and I'll be bronzing it up with the Wet n Wild Contour Duo. And then I'll be going back to my eyes, and I'll be applying this mascara which is from Maybelline, and I absolutely love this mascara. And then for the lips, I mixed two shades. For the first, I used this shade in Cabaret Show from NYX Cosmetics. This is from their lip lingerie range, and to top it up, I'm using this K-Beauty Faux Pas. And this is what the final look is. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. It will mean a lot to me. Bye.